What's going on? Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, back with another super fresh arrival, part of our Jayco family and our Heartland lineup, guys. We have a 2026 Heartland Sundance 29 RLBS on the model number, guys. This is a beautiful couples unit. Up front and down the rear, we have power stabilizing jacks, huge pass-through front end storage, 2 exterior speakers, solid steps getting in, a nice size awning, and one thing I really love about the Heartland is we have the 3-year limited structural warranty on that puppy. Come on inside, guys. Let's see what it's all about. Guys, just inside, you can see that we have a very open floor plan, open concept floor plan, I guess is what I meant to say. Island here with dual stainless steel sinks. Off to my left here, we have our coffee nook. Tons of storage up above, which would give you excellent extra pantry area. I mean, I don't think you're going to fill that with coffee cups, but you might. Depends on how much you like coffee. Over here, Envision appliances. If I can find the handle to open it. Freezer on the bottom, which is very nice. Another little pantry area here beside the fridge. So it really depends on how much food you want to stick in this puppy. 3-burner cooktop with a nice size oven and a good amount of space around it for cooking area, of course. Range hood, Envision microwave, and then beside all that, we have our entertainment area. Storage up above. Great size TV. Here's our hookup for our inside-outside speakers and our fireplace down there to keep you warm on those chilly nights. This also has whisper quiet ACs, guys. Take a look up. You don't see any AC unit. You just see the ductwork for it. Super cool. Couch will flip out to a bed. We do have the blackout shades on it, which I love to see. Theater seating here will recline with remote storage, magazine storage, whatever you want to put in there, I guess. This is a really nice feature. I get this question by a lot of people because a lot of people don't just want the dinette and they also want chairs. Well, here you get the best of both worlds and you get storage in the other side. Super cool feature. Come on down this way, guys. Into our bathroom. Tons of vanity space. Oh, medicine cabinet. On-demand hot water, guys. Shower as long as you want to. Spacious enough to. You good? See ya. Oh, look at that. We got some lights. It's a bright idea. Tons of space around the toilet as well. And, of course, underneath storage and a spot for your towels. All right. Last but not least, let's check out that bedroom. Up here, I really like the bedroom layout, actually. You got enough space to get around the bed. You got his or hers closets on either side. We also do have little nooks on either side, so if you had a CPAP, maybe a glass of water, or maybe you just want to charge your phone, you're able to do so. Storage up there. I'd have to stand up on my feet to get into that. And then windows for cross breeze ventilation and a nice big area in here. You are prepped for a washer and dryer in here. You could put one in if you wanted to. And you can also mount a nice big TV right here on the wall, guys. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, whoop, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.